Welcome back guys. Today I am going to tell you the top best movies of Alia Bhatt. In this video, I will tell you various movies done by Alia Bhatt in a lead role. These movies are loved by audience very much. Movies in the list contains romantic, comedy, action, thriller movies. So let's start, but before that please subscribe our channel and like the video. RRR, Rise Roar Revolt, is an epic action drama film directed by S.S. Rajamouli. Starring Junior NTR as Komaram Bheem, Ram Charan as Alluri Sitaram Raju, with Alia Bhatt, Ajay Devgan, Olivia Morris, Ray Stevenson, and Alison Doody in pivotal roles. Set in the 1920s during British colonial rule, the movie presents a fictional tale of friendship and conflict between two legendary revolutionaries. Bheem, a protector of his tribal people, sets out to rescue a young girl kidnapped by the British governor, while Raju, an officer working under the British, hides a secret mission of his own. The two meet by chance and form a deep bond, unaware of each other's true identity. As their paths cross and loyalties collide, their friendship is tested by duty, sacrifice, and patriotism. Brahmastra, Part 1, Shiva is a fantasy action-adventure directed by Ayan Mukherjee, starring Ranbir Kapoor as Shiva, Alia Bhatt as Isha, with Moni Roy, Nagarjuna Akineni, and Amitabh Bachchan in pivotal roles. The film follows Shiva, a DJ with a mysterious past, who discovers that he is connected to an ancient weapon called the Brahmastra, part of a trio of mythical astras. As dark forces rise to unleash chaos, Shiva must embrace his destiny, understand his powers, and protect the world from destruction. Alongside Isha, he faces formidable enemies, uncovers family secrets, and navigates love, friendship, and heroism. With grand visual effects, mythology-inspired storytelling, and a blend of romance and action, Brahmastra sets the stage for an epic cinematic universe. Student of the Year is a coming-of-age romantic drama directed by Karan Johar, starring Siddharth Malhotra as Abhimanyu Singh, Varun Dhawan as Rohan Nandar, and Alia Bhatt as Shania Singhania, with Rishi Kapoor, Ronat Roy, and Ram Kapoor in supporting roles. Set in the elite street, Teresa's College, the story revolves around friendship, rivalry, and love as students compete for the prestigious Student of the Year trophy. Abhimanyu, an ambitious middle-class boy, and Rohan, the wealthy but neglected son of a business tycoon, start off as friends but become rivals when both fall in love with Shania. As the competition intensifies, their relationships are tested by ambition, jealousy, and betrayal. The film combines youthful romance, glamour, and drama with a message about friendship, self-discovery, and the choices that shape one's life. Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhaniya is a romantic comedy directed by Shashank Khaitan, starring Varun Dhawan as Rakesh, Humpty Sharma, Alia Bhatt as Kavya Pratap Singh, and Siddharth Shukla as Angad Bedi, with Ashutosh Rana in a key role. The film follows Kavya, a lively Ambala girl who goes to Delhi to buy her dream designer wedding lehenga. There she meets Humpty, a carefree college boy, and despite their differences, they gradually fall in love. However, Kavya is already engaged to the seemingly perfect Angad, chosen by her strict father. The story then unfolds as Humpty tries to win over her family and prove that true love is more important than social expectations. Blending humor, romance. Gully Boy is a coming-of-age musical drama directed by Zoya Akhtar, starring Ranveer Singh as Murad Ahmed and Alia Bhatt as Safina Firdausi, with Siddhant Chaturvedi, Kalki Kekla, and Vijay Raz in key roles. Inspired by the real-life journeys of Indian rappers Divine and Nazi, the film tells the story of Murad, a young man from the slums of Mumbai who dreams of becoming a rapper. Despite facing poverty, family struggles, and social barriers, he finds his voice through hip-hop and channels his emotions into powerful lyrics. Supported by his fiery girlfriend Safina and mentored by underground rapper MC Sher, Murad fights against all odds to pursue his passion and prove his talent on a bigger stage. Gully Boy is not just a film about music, but also about ambition, resilience, and the power of self-expression. Razi is a spy thriller directed by Meghna Gulzar, starring Alia Bhatt as Sahmat Khan, alongside Vicky Kaushal, Rijit Kapoor, Shishir Sharma, Jaideep Alawat, and Soni Razdan in key roles. Based on Harinder Sikka's novel Calling Sahmat, the film is set during the 1971 India-Pakistan War. The story follows Sahmat, a young Indian woman who is trained as a spy and married into a Pakistani military family to pass on crucial intelligence to India. Torn between her patriotic duty and her emotions, Sahmat struggles with the complexities of love, loyalty, and betrayal. The film highlights the sacrifices of unsung heroes and portrays how personal lives are often shattered in the service of the nation. With gripping storytelling and a powerful performance by Alia Bhatt, Razi stands as an emotional yet intense war drama. Two States is a romantic drama directed by Abhishek Vaman, starring Arjun Kapoor as Krish Malhotra and Alia Bhatt as Ananya Swaminathan, with Amrita Singh, Revati, Ronat Roy, and Shiv Kumar Subramaniam in supporting roles. Based on Bhagat's best-selling novel of the same name, the film follows the love story of Krish, a Punjabi boy from Delhi, and Ananya, a Tamil Brahmin girl from Chennai. The two meet at IIM Ahmedabad, fall in love, and decide to get married. However, their journey is not easy as they must win the approval of their very different families, who clash over cultural traditions, values, and egos. The film beautifully captures the struggles of an intercultural relationship, blending humor, romance, and emotional drama, while highlighting the importance of acceptance. Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani is a romantic family drama directed by Karan Johar, starring Ranveer Singh as Rocky Randhawa and Alia Bhatt as Rani Chatterjee, with Dharmendra, Jaya Bachchan, and Shabana Azmi in prominent supporting roles. The film tells the story of Rocky, a flamboyant Punjabi man from a wealthy but conservative family, and Rani, a strong-minded Bengali journalist from an intellectual household. Despite their cultural differences, the two fall in love. To prove their compatibility and win their family's approval, Rocky and Rani decide to live with each other's families for a few months. This leads to humorous clashes, emotional confrontations, and heartfelt realizations about love, respect, and acceptance. With music, grandeur, and emotions at its core, Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani is a colorful tale of romance, family bonds, and breaking stereotypes. Gangubai Kathiawadi is a biographical crime drama directed by Sanjay Leela Bhansali, starring Alia Bhatt as Gangubai, Gangu, Kathiawadi, with Shantanu Maheshwari, Seema Pava, and Indira Tiwari in supporting roles. The film is based on the true story of Gangubai, a young girl sold into prostitution, who rises to become a powerful and respected figure in Mumbai's underworld and the brothel community of Kamathipura. Known for her courage, intelligence, and strong sense of justice, Gangubai fights for the rights of women in her community, protecting them from exploitation while gaining influence among politicians and criminals alike. With Bhansali's signature grandeur, dramatic visuals, and Alia Bhatt's compelling performance, the movie portrays a tale of resilience, empowerment, and the fight for dignity in a male-dominated world. Jigra is an action thriller film directed by Vasan Bala, starring Alia Bhatt as Satya Anand, Vedant Rana as Ankur Anand, with Manoj Pava, Rahul Ravindran, Vivek Gombar, and others in supporting roles. Often at a young age, Satya and her brother Ankur are raised by distant relatives and share a close, protective bond. Their lives take a turn when Ankur is falsely implicated in drug charges during a business trip in the fictional island nation of Hanshi Dao. While Ankur is sentenced to death, his cousin Kabir escapes punishment due to his influential background. With legal avenues failing him, Satya embarks on a daring rescue mission, teaming up with a retired gangster and an ex-cop to break Ankur out of prison. What follows is a high-stakes jailbreak filled with moral dilemmas, action set pieces, and sisterly love pushing Satya beyond her limits in the fight for justice.